Let's get straight to it. Changing tail lights on an Audi A4 2010. This is a 2.0 engine. All right, let's get into the trunk. We're gonna start with the driver's side. There's a hatch right here. Let's pull that straight down. And now we can go in and look inside. All right, so there is a 10mm bolt that we have to get, well, a nut that we have to get down here. You're gonna need a deep socket to get to it. And then this right here, you just turn by hand. See this here? So you just basically turn that counterclockwise by hand until you get it off. Just like that. And then set that down. Now this bottom part, we're gonna go get a deep socket 10mm and we're gonna get that nut off. All right, I was able to use a long 10mm and get this out. Be careful getting it out. You don't want it to fall down in that hole. All right, so now we're able to pull this whole tail light out now. So there's one harness here. So we're going to go ahead and squeeze that in and unplug that. All right, we got our harness off. In order to change this bulb, there are 4 Phillips head screws that have to be removed to get this plastic piece off. All right, once you get it out, now you can see your bulbs. All you have to do to remove them is press them down and turn them counterclockwise, and they should pull right up. Now we're gonna put the new bulbs the same way the old one came out. We're gonna put them in and twist them down and to the right. Just like that. Now it's time to go ahead and drop our plastic piece back down. And let's go ahead and put our 4 Phillips head screws back in. All right, I got all my screws in, so the bulbs are officially replaced. Now we can go ahead and put our unit back on. Go ahead and connect the harness back. Now we can start to fit this light back in place. And once it's back in place, we can come inside and we can start to put our nuts back on. I'm going to start with this piece here. This is actually a bolt, so that goes in through this hole here, and while you hold the light from the outside, just screw this in clockwise. Screw it in clockwise. All right, and now it's time to, you can go ahead and you can put this nut on this bolt here with your fingers and start it. Make sure you start it with your fingers. You don't want to use the drill and bind it up. Once you got it started, you can take your drill and you can finish it with your deep socket 10. All right, so once that part is done, we can go ahead and put this piece back up and reconnect our negative battery terminal, and that's it for this side. If you wanted to do this side, it'll be the same exact process for the passenger side, except for getting this out is different. You just pull it right here and pull that out, and now you can reach back there and you can access all the same stuff from the other side, and you can get that light changed. And that's pretty much it. That is how you change your tail light and your reverse light turn signal on a 2010 Audi A4 2.0. If you liked the video, you thought it was helpful, be sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Also, if you feel this video saved you some money, don't be afraid to leave a little tip in the Cash App. The more reactions and support that I receive is the more content that I'll make.